Good morning, afternoon, evening. Welcome to Daily Market Update, where we unwrap the biggest stories shaking the stock market today. We'll dig into 10 key news items and take a detailed look at how they'll impact the market landscape. Let's get started. Despite ongoing supply chain issues, Apple Inc. reported quarterly revenue that has blown away Wall Street expectations. The heavyweight tech company continues to impress with its resilience, hinting at a bullish outlook for its stock. This surprising result could ripple out across tech stocks and the broader market, invoking a positive sentiment among investors. Major market tremors are expected as the Federal Reserve hikes its benchmark interest rate by 0.75 percentage points. This move aims to curb inflation but could spell trouble for growth-focused stocks, especially in the technology sector. While this may cause short-term strain, it also underlines the Fed's confidence in the economy's strength. In contrast to the positive news from Apple, Tesla shares fell as the company reported lower than expected delivery numbers. The shortfall may bring Tesla's stratospheric growth into sharper focus, with potential knock-on effects across the electric vehicle sector. Amazon has made a strategic play by agreeing to acquire iRobot for $1.7 billion. As traditional retail giants angle for dominance in the tech space, this could catalyze further mergers and acquisitions, possibly affecting the stock prices of potential target companies. Microsoft's Azure revenue growth has slowed down to 40% year over year, a dip that may cause concerns about the sustainability of the recent tech stock rally. However, a 40% YoY growth is still substantial, therefore it's yet to see a significant impact. Geopolitical tensions are stoking the fires of the oil market, with crude oil futures jumping $3 a barrel today. This could be good news for energy stocks but might accelerate inflationary pressures, an issue to keep an eye on considering Fed's recent rate hike. Cryptocurrency markets are facing strong headwinds, with Bitcoin falling below the $20,000 mark. This may continue to be a volatile sector, and it could potentially affect confidence in financial tech and other forward-looking tech stocks. Goldman Sachs is predicting a 30% chance of recession in the next year. This could significantly impact market sentiment and lead to cautious trading across sectors. Streaming giant Netflix has added 2 million subscribers in Q3, beating estimates, signaling a positive trend in the entertainment sector. Netflix's performance could boost investor sentiment for other streaming services like Disney Plus and Amazon Prime. The Department of Justice has filed a second antitrust suit against Google's ad business. This could increase regulatory pressure on other tech giants and dampen investor enthusiasm for the sector. Based on these news, expect to see significant movement in tech stocks, both positive, led by Apple and Netflix, and negative, led by Google, Microsoft, and Tesla. The major shift in monetary policy from the Fed could mean general caution in the markets, especially growth-focused stocks. With the jump in crude oil pricing, energy stocks will be ones to watch. The floundering Bitcoin may also send ripples across other cryptocurrency markets and stocks. Goldman Sachs' recession prediction, although potentially concerning, is something to keep in context with your own risk and investment strategies. As we conclude today's roundup, remember that market predictions remain educated estimates and are subject to change. All investment decisions should be balanced with due caution and personal research. This analysis represents my personal viewpoints and should not be seen as professional financial advice. I am not responsible for any investment losses. Stay tuned for more updates and stay informed.